So hey nerds, this is Suman and this is our today's integral. And look at this, the beauty of this integral. That is 10 to the 5th, sec to the 3rd, and it is with some disrespect to x. So we proceed by doing something very much intuitive thing, that is I can write it as 10 for x secant square x times secant x 10x, and it is dx, right? And you can write as this is 10 to the 2 and this is secant square x and this is secant x into 10x and this is dx. So by the property you can write it as secant square x minus 1 and raised to the power 2 and secant square x, right, and secant x into 10 of x dx. So up to there it doesn't make, I think there is no any problem here. So after that we have to substitute our function. Let's substitute as secant x, simply secant x is u, and if you differentiate it you get secant x times 10 of x dx is du. So in terms of secant x we have to use u squared, that is u squared minus 1, and in terms of secant square x you have to write u, and in terms of this much we have to write du. And once you open this integral you will see something like u to the 6th minus u to the 4th plus u squared, and this is du. So u to the 6th negative u to the 4th plus u squared times du, and it is an easy integral, like easy game, right? So this is going to be u to the 7 over 7 minus u to the 5th over 5th plus u to the 3 over 3 with some always constant c. So finally the answer of our integral, that is 10 to the 5th x secant cube x dx, is just basically 1 over 7, and in terms of u you have to replace your function, the previous function secant x. So it is going to be secant 7x negative secant 1 over 5th secant 5th x plus 1 over 3 secant cube x plus some constant c. So this is what our integral finally looks like. And so up to there, bye bye, and try to send your problems in our community tab, and bye bye.